Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this ornament made from recycled packaging and scrapbook paper. To begin, I have my food packaging container for the cardstock, and I am using a container of some type of facial moisturizer just to get the circular shapes. You can use pretty much anything. You can use a jar, a lid, anything that's circular just to get the shape. And next, I'm just going to cut out 4 circles. So once the circles have been cut out, I've taken 1 sheet of scrapbook paper and I am using some hot glue so that I can attach the circles to the blank side of the scrapbook paper. Once these are glued down, you just cut them out, and then we're going to add some scrapbook paper to the other side. Okay, and here is my other sheet of scrapbook paper, and now we are applying glue to the other side of the circles so that both sides are covered in scrapbook paper. And you'll notice that I used slightly different patterns. I wanted to have some variety, but you could definitely use the same pattern for both sides. So once I cut out the 4 circles, I used a ruler to determine where the middle is in the circle. And I just used a pencil to mark where I'm going to cut. So with scissors, I made 2 cuts side by side, and I did not cut the circle completely. I just got as close to the edge as possible. And as you see, 1 circle will fit inside that space that's been cut out so that you get a 3D ornament. And then the next thing I did is I ran some hot glue down the middle of the other circle, and I just slid it down the opening of the circle that was cut. And there I was just reinforcing where I glued the circles with a little extra glue. So the next step is going to be to add some faux snow to the edges. So here I have some faux snow that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting some in a tray. And the next step is going to be to apply a little bit of glue to the edges and to dip it into the faux snow. So I did this a little bit at a time because since I'm working with hot glue, I didn't want it to dry out. So I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue at a time, dipping it into the faux snow, and then adding a little bit more until all the edges are covered. And once the edges are covered, all you need is some yarn or string. And here I just took a little bit of yarn and I am making an overhand knot at the ends. And I will glue this to the top of the ornament. And for a final touch, I am going to also add a button over the knot on the yarn. If you don't have a button, you can maybe use an old earring or some other embellishment that you may find at home. And here we have the finished ornament. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe and have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day.